Hi, my name is Celina. I'm an animator and digital artist, and I've been teaching animation and digital art since 2014. I have my bachelor's degree in film and television from Boston University, and I studied animation at the Gobelin School in Paris, and I have my master's degree in middle childhood education from Relay Graduate School. I teach ages 12 to adults and all levels of experience. So whether you're a complete beginner to digital drawing and animation, or maybe you've downloaded a digital drawing and animation software and you want to build your skills, I cater lessons to whatever skill level you are at. My approach to teaching is very easygoing and flexible depending on the needs of the student. So whether you're looking to pursue art as a career, or just get advice and feedback on your portfolio, or maybe you just want to take up a new creative hobby and express yourself through art, book lessons with me and I would be happy to help you meet your creative goals. Hope to meet you soon.